and welcome to the solution video to coding challenge number 25. As you can see, I've already converted the table of values into three distinct dictionaries. One for our digits, one for our multipliers, and one for our tolerances. Now all that's left to do is write a general function which will convert our list of four colors into the respective value of the resistor and tolerance. We can do this by writing define resistor value, and this will be a list of colors. And then we have to remember that in case we input incorrect colors, our function needs to correctly catch the error and give us the relative feedback. So of course we can use a try and except command. This is fully explained in my tutorial video on the topic, which I've left linked in the top right hand screen for you should you be interested. Now returning to our code, we can write try, and then we say v1 equals table underscore digits of colors 0. Then v2 is the same way, table underscore digits of colors 1. Then we say our third value will be table multipliers of colors 2. So the third value in our colors list. Finally, our fourth value will be equal to table underscore tolerance of colors 3. Now we have the four values, so we now need to give the correct feedback to the user. In order to do this in a format which is generally understood within the electronic community, we can write if v3 is smaller than 1000, then we say print an f string that says resistor value, and then we say v1 times 10 plus v2, all of that times v3, and then close brackets, ohms. Then we can copy this for a minute, this print statement, and say elif v3 is smaller than 1,000,000, then we can print or resistor value is equal to v1 times 10 plus v2, all of that times v3, integer division 1000, and then we say that this is kilo ohms. Now you can see where I'm going with this. Of course, we can write a third statement which will be an else, and this time we'll say print resistor value v3 etc etc etc, integer division 1,000,000, and this instead will be mega ohms. Finally, outside of the if-elif statement, we can write print another f string that says resistor tolerance is v4%. And then of course we have our try and except statement, so of course we need to write except, and in this case we'll give it a general error which says print wrong input values. And that's it, and there's our function. So I will leave it now up to you to try different combinations of colors to figure out what the resistor value and tolerances are, as well as put this code to the test to make sure that it works in case of incorrect inputs. As always, should you have any queries about what we've just seen, then please let me know by leaving your questions in the comments down below. Also, please don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and especially subscribe to the channel to show your support. I thank you all for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next week for a new video. Until then, as always, happy coding!